So this Hypericum is starting to come to the end of its flowering, and as you can see, this is a real vigorous grower and it's starting to get a bit untidy. So shortly we're going to need to cut this right back, and I'll keep it maintained and neat in appearance until next spring, where we'll have to leave it again so that the flowering shoots can develop and produce another show. So this shrub has had a really big haircut. It's looking a bit bare at the front. What was happening was the shrub was moving out towards the lawn, and some of the bottom leaves are starting to get a bit leggy, heading towards the light where the sun was. So although I've cut that right back, all the places where you can see bare branches should be covered in greenery in a few weeks' time, because this does not respond to a good hard pruning. In fact, a couple of times I've hacked this right back to the ground with not a single leaf on it, and it will happily respond and respond vigorously. Kept it a bit taller at the back, so I wouldn't mind this growing a bit taller, but we do want to try and keep it away from this lawn as much as possible. Like, this was here when we moved into the house, and I wouldn't normally plant this type of shrub against the wall like this because of the way it grows, but they're just doing the best they can with it. So we'll come back in a few weeks and see how this has responded to this severe haircut. So we're a couple of weeks on now, and the shrub is knocking out lots of new leaves. Like I said, it grows really vigorously, but I'll try and keep it in a tidy shape all the way through into next spring, and then it's going to need a real good haircut in April before the next show of flowers. Like I said, this is a sort of unpredictable level of growth. If you don't prune it, it can literally take over the space, but it's going to look good in a nice tidy shape all the way through to next year. Thanks for your support, and don't forget to subscribe.